Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, I am back, and today's shave soap is going to be by Shannon's soap, and this is Barbershop. I'll just take a little whiff here. Oh yeah, what a pleasant Barbershop scent. And I will be using the matching aftershave splash. Matter of fact, I'll just put a little picture right here early on to show you guys everything that I'm going to be using. And I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And what a nice scent. And if you question why I have so many nice scents, because I've been letting go of the soaps and splashes that are not my favorite. But if I happen to get one, I will let you know. And today I'm using this beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush. And I'm going to call this one the Dirty Cupcake. All right, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 1. I used a 1/4 teaspoon and about 11 milliliters of water. Now your water may vary, and that is something in my how to lather video I mentioned, how your experiences could be different based on water quality in your area. Let's just take a little look at the lather real quick. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. All right, and today's razor is going to be the Stirling stainless razor, and this one is going to be the standard plate. It says there on the bottom, but you won't be able to see it. And I can never remember what handles these are. I even took a little screenshot long ago, and I always forget to look it up so I could tell you. I'm thinking this may be the Austin handle, or I don't know. Anyway, and today's blade is going to be the Gillette Nacet. I want a nice, sharp, but yet smooth blade. In this particular razor, even though it is the standard plate, I will tell you that it is still on the aggressive side, because it used to say on the website, and I don't even know if these if the info is still up or not, but Rod had said this particular plate is equivalent to the Gillette Slim on the highest setting. Not to be confused with the hyper aggressive. I do have a couple days worth of growth here, and that is plowing through like no tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, I didn't do any shaves last week between the weather fluctuating and some other things that I had going on. My back was just not in for it. So I'm still fighting that. Unfortunately, one day soon, I hope, it will be resolved, fixed, healed, something. I'm not really a big complainer. I usually just drive on and improvise, compromise, whatever you want to say. But I truly am at that threshold of breaking point with my back issue, and I just don't know how much longer I'm going to, but we'll put up with it. All right, pass number 1. Wow, wow, wow. Now, that will make you forget about your irritable back, I will tell you, for just a short time. And I'm already thinking back about it again. Oh, you don't realize how much you use something until it is damaged or taken away. And then you realize, oh boy. And if you don't use it, well, you might not miss it. All right, pass number 2, across the grain. And I know Pegleg did a video and asked if people go from mouth to ear or ear to mouth. And I always go mouth to ear in my shaving because I feel like even though I'm going against the grain, I feel like there's portions like right around in this area that isn't really going straight down. It's more backwards. So when I go from here to there, it's more against the grain instead of across the grain. And I try to just find a happy medium because I don't want to do all kinds of crazy directions. But if you can hear that sound versus if I come here, hear how it's really just... And pass number 1 was already baby butt smooth, but I'm going to continue on with the shave because I really enjoy it. Let's go ahead with this again. I don't know, can you hear that? Much different than that direction. I've been doing very well with my buying freeze. I really haven't had any major temptations. The one thing that has been calling my name a little bit, and I've just been not listening, is the Phoenix razor. And you guys may have seen it. It's the Artifact. And that particular razor seems very interesting to me. It's calling my name, but I must resist. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. If you guys are watching this, you probably know this is a evening or a nighttime shave. But I wanted to squeeze one in anyway, so why not? Let's go ahead and do it. And I may not be doing videos on Wednesdays. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel. Wow, that is so nice. And I will be grabbing some star jelly to finish that off. Let's see, there was something I was gonna say. It hit me whenever I was doing the cold water rinse. You know, I can't remember what it was, and it seemed like something I needed to tell you. Anyway, I don't know. I'll think of it and mention it in the next video. But anyway, oh yeah, I know what it was. I was going to say, did you guys notice that I had shut off the advertisements? You know, the, what do you call it? Why is my mind drawing a blank? You know, the ads that you get for the monetization on YouTube, I turned those off. I got tired of all the stuff, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to go back to kind of my roots and just continue shaving and not really worrying about the $9 a video that you make and all that. It's just a bunch of bull. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.